Welcome back to Shift Zone, your destination for honest car stories, future-ready models, and deep dives into vehicles that truly matter. At Shift Zone, we explore how everyday cars evolve with time, technology, and driver expectations. Today, we are taking a detailed look at the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt, a model that continues to hold strong appeal for drivers who value reliability, efficiency, and modern comfort without unnecessary complexity. The 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt arrives with a refreshed identity that balances familiarity with meaningful updates. Chevrolet has focused on refining what already worked well while improving design elements that bring the Cobalt closer to modern global standards. The exterior design feels cleaner and more confident, with smoother body lines and a more aerodynamic profile. The front fascia looks sharper, featuring a redesigned grille and sleeker headlights that give the car a more premium presence on the road. Subtle chrome accents and updated alloy wheel designs add to its visual appeal without making it feel overstyled. From the side, the 2026 Cobalt maintains its practical sedan proportions, making it easy to maneuver in city traffic while still offering a comfortable stance on highways. The rear design is more refined, with updated taillights and a cleaner bumper layout that enhances the overall balance of the car. Chevrolet has clearly aimed to make the Cobalt look modern yet timeless, ensuring it doesn't feel outdated after a few years of ownership. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt focuses on comfort, simplicity, and improved material quality. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-focused, with better placement of controls for ease of use. Soft touch materials have been added to key areas, giving the interior a more premium feel compared to previous generations. The seats are designed for long-term comfort, offering good support for both daily commutes and longer journeys. The infotainment system has received a noticeable upgrade, featuring a larger touchscreen with improved responsiveness. Smartphone connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto allows drivers to stay connected effortlessly. The interface is straightforward, making it easy for drivers of all ages to navigate menus without distraction. Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, and steering-mounted controls further enhance everyday convenience. Passenger space remains one of the Cobalt's strongest points. The 2026 model offers generous legroom in both the front and rear, making it a practical choice for families and ride-sharing use. The rear seats are comfortable enough for adults, and the wide opening doors make entry and exit easy. The trunk provides ample cargo space, suitable for groceries, luggage, or daily business needs, reinforcing the Cobalt's reputation as a dependable all-rounder. Under the hood, the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt continues to prioritize efficiency and reliability. The engine lineup is designed to deliver smooth performance with low maintenance costs. Acceleration is balanced and predictable, making the car ideal for urban driving and highway cruising. Chevrolet has tuned the engine for better fuel economy, which is a major advantage for budget-conscious drivers and those who spend long hours on the road. The transmission options provide smooth gear shifts, contributing to a comfortable driving experience. Whether navigating busy city streets or maintaining steady speeds on the highway, the Cobalt feels composed and easy to drive. The steering is light yet responsive, helping drivers feel confident even in tight spaces. Suspension tuning absorbs road imperfections effectively, offering a smooth ride on both well-paved roads and uneven surfaces. Safety has been given increased attention in the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt. The car comes equipped with essential safety features that enhance driver confidence and passenger protection. Multiple airbags, anti-lock braking systems, electronic stability control, and traction control are standard, ensuring a solid safety foundation. Improved braking performance adds to the sense of control, especially during sudden stops or challenging driving conditions. Additional driver assistance features may be available depending on the market and trim level, offering technologies that support safer driving habits. These updates make the 2026 Cobalt a more reassuring choice for families and daily commuters who prioritize peace of mind on the road. One of the key strengths of the Chevrolet Cobalt has always been its affordability, and the 2026 model continues this tradition. Chevrolet has positioned the Cobalt as a value-driven sedan that offers modern features without pushing the price beyond reach. This balance makes it especially attractive in markets where practicality, fuel efficiency, and long-term reliability matter more than flashy branding. Maintenance costs remain reasonable, and Chevrolet's widespread service network adds to the overall ownership confidence. The durability of the Cobalt has been proven over the years, and the 2026 model builds on that legacy with improved engineering and refined components. This makes it an ideal choice for first-time car buyers, families, and professionals looking for a dependable daily vehicle. The driving experience of the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt is calm and predictable, which is exactly what many drivers want from a sedan in this segment. It doesn't try to be overly sporty or aggressive, instead focusing on delivering a comfortable and stress-free ride. Road noise is well controlled, and the cabin remains relatively quiet even at higher speeds, contributing to an enjoyable driving environment. Fuel efficiency is another highlight, making the Cobalt a smart option for those looking to reduce running costs. With rising fuel prices in many regions, a car that offers consistent mileage without sacrificing comfort becomes increasingly valuable. The 2026 Cobalt delivers exactly that balance, reinforcing its role as a practical